Hello, I was just gonna give you guys an update on my stuff. I've got, this one still hasn't sprouted anything, but I've got another light situated on it that's usually used for kitchen, just to increase light a bit. Bermuda grass seems to be growing well. The, fragilis that's in the back here is growing extraordinarily well. I believe the, well, not the Cotydelion, but the, well, I guess it would be. It's not seed leaf. It's the seed coating that goes on it that sometimes doesn't come off of plants. It's finally coming off. Ephedra fragilis, and it has a little the real leaves coming in with the apical meristrum. See right in there. Sorry. Well, yeah, you get a good look at the plants around it, but yeah, some of these are doing really well, but some of them are dying. My water lettuce is not doing well in my aquarium. I think I may just have to grow it in some type of. But the the tinier plants, the duckweed and the watermeal, are just extraordinarily growing. And my avocado is not sprouted yet. Potato in here does not have much new features on it yet. But this did sprout. Some type of, it's a vine. Some type of cucumber. It's related to cucumbers. Sorry, my pronunciation of the clades and families is difficult. Again, I think that may be milkweed. Like, a native milkweed that's native to Kansas. And one down here. And then, some stuff over here. But, hopefully, and I'm just growing it like that. Marsan soil substrate. I'll talk about that in my next video. I was just giving you guys an update of the plants I have right now, and that's about it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot this one. This plant over here, I'm putting in direct sunlight at the moment, and well, it's two plants. I got duckweed in there because I watered it with the aquarium water. Nitrates. I could, instead of doing water changes and just throwing the water away, why not use it? There appears to be glutamation or backdrop from the actual aquarium on it. You see those water droplets? Since they are not on the leaves, I am not sure. But yeah, there's more out of the apical meristrum here. There's more stuff coming out. Yeah, watermelon plant is doing good, and hopefully this will survive. By the look down here, some of I think it has a deficiency in something, because what I did is I put a bunch of moss in here, and then I put sand in. So the amount of nutrients may be very low. What I'm trying to offset that with, I'm just going to scoop out water from this aquarium and put it in here every once in a while, so then it can increase the nutrients. Because I put, sand and a little bit of native soil in here, as well as rocks. Lava rocks, of which you cannot see because the aquarium is still recovering. It's trying to cycle again. But yeah, that's my update of all my plants and a little bit on my aquarium, but that was the previous video. Oh, and one of my other plants, in my planted aquarium, the top of it, sadly, has somehow dried out and died. In fucking water. So what this means is, like right here, there will be little sprouts that you can barely see on there. That will be coming out. The duckweed is doing marvelous. And then my golden pothos is doing great too. Some of the leaves are underwater and they're doing just fine. and the roots look cool in there. I think that they're actually producing, instead of thick roots that go into the soil, they're now producing more fibrous roots that are able to, like, not, I believe fibrous roots is not the right word, but more thin roots that branch off, try to get more nutrients, that are actually trying to locate the bottom of the soil. When that happens, this thing's going to get a boost in plant growth. And since there's a bunch of nitrates in here, even though I don't have any fish, just the worms, and they all produce waste in the bacteria. Hopefully I'll be able to keep an even system if I introduce far more plants than I do fish, and that'll take care of my water changes to some extent. When I don't, use them for water, I'm so sorry. When I don't use them for watering, like water changes for watering my plants. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, bye.